Home remedies for hair loss. It is common for people to lose strands of their hair, especially when it is wet or when they comb it very often. Experts say that there is a need for some strands of hair to fall so these can be replaced with a new set of hair strands. The average strands should at least be 100. Once there is excess in this estimate, then you might be suffering from hair loss. If you think you are suffering from hair loss, the best way to deal with it is to visit an expert to ensure that he or she will give proper diagnosis. People who are prone to permanent baldness caused by genes or those that are caused by skin disorders, they should consult a doctor what treatment options are available. Hair loss: aloe vera treatment and other natural hair loss. Many people feel that the problem of hair loss cannot be solved with the help of hair loss treatment products. They often get frustrated after spending too much money on ineffective hair loss remedies and their side effects with no positive results at all. In reality, hair loss treatment can be divided in two categories: natural hair loss treatments and chemical treatments. Here are some best natural hair loss treatments. Aloe vera. Indians, Native Americans and Caribbeans have used aloe vera to promote healthy hair and prevent hair loss since ages. Aloe vera balances the pH of the scalp and heals from within. It is also helpful in cleansing the pores. A general remedy of aloe vera gel with coconut milk and small amount of wheat germ oil used as a shampoo has shown great benefits. Aloe vera surely helps you stop hair loss. Jojoba. If you are affected with hair problems like eczema, psoriasis, dandruff or seborrhea, you are requested to use jojoba oil. Native Americans and Mexicans have used jojoba oil for centuries to prevent hair loss and to control dandruff. Jojoba oil works well for hypoallergenic skin, as is a good moisturizer. This is one of the best hair loss treatment products. Henna Henna is a traditional Indian herb, which is a good natural conditioner and works great as hair loss treatment product. It heals hair shaft by sealing the cuticle and repairing, stops breakage and restores the silky shiny effect of your hair. Capsicum. It stimulates hair growth by 50% and increases flow of blood to the scalp. This herb is effective in preventing hair loss. Lemongrass. This herb helps stabilizing oil product in the scalp. It also provides nourishment to the hair. You can use oil of lemongrass for massage as well. Dong Qi. Formation of DHT is the main cause of hair loss. Dong Qi contains phytoestrogens, which reduces the formation of DHT. Hence, Dong Qi is believed to be helpful in hair loss. It is recommended that you consult an expert to know which hair loss treatment product is suitable for you. But for those who are experiencing temporary hair loss, they can deal with it even if they are at home. The following home remedies can be used to deal with hair loss at home. 1. The wonders of massage. Ancient people have proven that massage can help stop excessive hair fall because it makes the follicles of the hair stronger. Aside from that, it is also good because it aids hair growth by putting the right amount of pressure on the scalp. Usually, this is done manually. You can do it yourself or you can ask somebody to massage your scalp at home. If you don't have enough energy to do manual massage on your own scalp, you can opt for electric hair massage available in most wellness stores. 2. Hot oil treatments. Experts say that people who are prone to hair loss can benefit so much from hot oil treatments because these can help prevent falling hair and can cure minor scalp disorders as well. To get effective results, at least 3 treatments are advised weekly. You can do this at home with the use of a shower cap. You can buy ready-to-use hot oil treatments that contain oils of several herbs such as sesame, olive, and coconut. For more relaxing hot oil treatment at home, opt for those that contain essential oils such as thyme, lavender, and others. 3. Aloe Vera extracts. Considered as a wonder plant, aloe vera is popular to many people, especially those living in tropical countries, as a remedy for hair loss. Depending on the degree, aloe vera can be used as a shampoo by using fresh pulp that is directly applied on the hair and scalp, as a hair tonic along with other herbs, and a drink or oral aloe juice for the body to absorb its ingredients faster. 4. Mixture of cinnamon and honey. Many people say that one of the effective home remedies for hair loss is the combination of cinnamon powder and honey with olive oil, because these contain properties that make the scalp as well as the hair stronger. By coming up with a paste that can be applied directly from the hair's roots down to the scalp, people can make use of it before they use their favorite shampoo. 5. Extracts of ginger. A piece of ginger, once chopped and directly applied to the area of the head that has bald spots, can be an effective hair remedy for hair loss because it aids the healthy growth of hair follicles. Since it can be smelly, you can also use its extract that is combined with fine lead powder to get best results. Female hair loss treatments and why hair loss is different on Venus. Female hair loss treatments often differ to men's, for a number of reasons. The main prescription hair loss treatment for men, the drug propecia, is generally not as effective in women, although an Italian study seemed to show some promise with it. The study followed the experience of 37 women who were given 2.5 milligrams of propecia a day, as well as the contraceptive pill. As propecia can cause deformities in the development of a male fetus sex organs, propecia cannot be given to women who have a chance of conceiving, or who are pregnant. Results were measured by taking photos of the women's heads, and using a technique called computerized light videodermoscopy to measure the density of hairs. Women tend to have thinning hair when they suffer hair loss, and don't often go completely bald. After 12 months of treatment, 23 women, 62%, had improvements in their hair thickness. Those women who had most hair loss down the middle of the top of the head, showed the most improvement. Only one woman was found to have worse hair loss. But more studies on propecia as a female hair loss treatment need to be conducted before it is given the green light as a treatment option. Not only is there the issue of fetal damage, making it a risky drug for women, but this study is not conclusive as evidence that it will actually work for all, or most, women. Generally, women are given topical treatments like minoxidil to encourage hair growth. Minoxidil has drawbacks in that it has to be applied to the scalp twice a day, and some women are allergic to it. Unfortunately, scientists have not come up with a hair loss medication that will definitely work for women. Another reason female hair loss treatments differ to men's is that the causes of female hair loss often vary. Hair loss in women is often associated with hormonal changes like menopause, discontinuing birth control pills, and after pregnancy. There is a 3-month delay before signs of hair loss will appear, so if you're noticing hair loss now, it was probably triggered 3 months ago. And it can take another 3 months before new growth starts to show. Another factor in female hair loss is excessive dieting or sudden weight loss. Hair requires nutrients to grow just as any other part of the body does. What we eat can not only affect how shiny and healthy our hair appears, but also hair loss. Whilst men can suffer hair loss from similar weight loss, women tend to be more involved with extreme diets than men. Female hair loss can also be an indicator of a medical condition, such as an underactive thyroid gland, diabetes, anemia, and PCOS. It's a good idea to get these possible issues ruled out by a doctor first. If they are at the root of the hair loss problem, no amount of hair loss medications or topical treatments or hair vitamins is going to stop hair loss until that is treated. Hair loss that is caused by physical or emotional stress generally resolves itself when the stressor is dealt with, without any female hair loss treatment. But because of the hair's growth cycles, it can take 6 months before any improvement is noticed.